This is a method with which you can actually really apply locations to a lot of things like people, assets, autonomous vehicles. So it's a way to pinpoint locations of all of these things that you have in your environment using a cellular connection. What we have found is really that there's a heavy overlap between customers who really likes private cellular network and can benefit from that, and that also then like to have positioning. Every device that is connected over the cellular network, of course, it has some SIM card or soft SIM, eSIM or something, but identifies basically what that device is. Now, through cellular, we can then track that asset. And then we can provide that information in, basically it's a XYZ model. So three-dimensional, we can give a location for that. Now, that information can be exposed through an API. And then, of course, it could be incorporated into asset tracking tools, etc. These tools are extremely expensive. So using a $7,000 torque tool and putting it in the wrong place and never be able to find it again is a big problem. Also, the cross-contamination of certain of these tools that needs to be used for a specific station that is tuned for that station, then being accidentally used on another station can really cause a massive loss because that whole assembly line might have to be redone or even scrapped. We also see just being able to, for safety reason, look at autonomous guided vehicles. To go down certain corridors, interaction with humans, maybe stay within safe zone. Same with humans as well. There's a lot about worker safety in terms of tracking where humans are going, make sure that the alarms go off if they happen to enter an unsafe zone. And what we see that is very interesting is that once we introduce this capability, that the enterprises themselves are starting to innovate, and they will incorporate this location information in together with all the other data they have in their operations and just find efficiencies and operational improvements or safety measures. If you already have a private network installed, you can leverage that infrastructure and really do location based on that instead of investing in additional infrastructure unnecessarily.